In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change week in Google Calendar 2025 step by step. First, open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, the little dotted square, and choose Calendar. If you already have Calendar open in a tab, you can jump straight there. Once Calendar loads, let's set the main view. At the top of the page, you'll see the view selector with options like day, week, month, and 2 weeks. Click week to switch into the standard 7-day layout. This view is great for planning across multiple days and spotting conflicts at a glance. If you need a closer, more detailed look, you can change the week view into a single day view. Just click day. This is especially useful when your schedule is packed and you want to focus on precise times and overlapping events without distraction. Next, maybe you want a bigger picture. Click month to see your entire month in one screen. This helps with long-term planning, vacations, or tracking deadlines spread across weeks. You'll still be able to click any date to create or review events, but you get that broader perspective that's perfect for high-level planning. If a month feels too broad and a week too narrow, try the middle ground. Click 2 weeks to display a rolling 2-week window. This view balances detail and foresight, letting you plan the coming days without losing sight of what's next week. Now, if by changing the week you're referring to which day your week starts on, like Monday versus Sunday, let's update that in Settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, open View Options. Find the setting labeled Start Week On. Click the drop-down and choose Monday or Sunday, depending on what matches your region or personal preference. There's no Save button here. Your choice is applied automatically. When you're done, return to your calendar by clicking the back arrow or the calendar link at the top. You'll see your week view updated with the new starting day, and the change will also reflect in day, month, and 2-week views wherever the week layout matters. That's it. You've learned how to open Google Calendar, switch between week, day, month, and 2-week views, and customize which day your week begins on. Use week for planning across days, day for deep focus, month for the big picture, and 2 weeks for a balanced look. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.